Everyone is building AI features. A few, though, are actually building what is needed when AI starts transacting. Think about it. How does an autonomous agent discover a new product, add it to a cart, start to move money around? But also, how does this work in a risk environment? It's different than if a human would do it. And that's why we can't answer this with a simple product update. We have a different answer here, and that answer is Adyen Agentic. This new era requires a massive shift, and a massive shift that can't be done in isolation. On the one hand, we have the merchants that needs a partner that they can trust with their brand and with their data. On the other hand, we have the AI models that want to have a simple integration and an opportunity to have access to merchants at scale. For this to work, the architecture has to be open. We don't need any walled gardens anymore. What we need is a universal translator, where merchants can integrate once and have access to all the public AI models available. And this is exactly what Adyen Agentic brings. We sit at a unique point between enterprise commerce and AI innovation. We have built the infrastructure that helps merchants to connect, to transact, and to grow through an open ecosystem.